Wow, ang ganda naman ng outfit mo. Patingin nga. Wow, OOTD. Nakakainis. Yay! Wow. Pero hindi kasi siya okay. 1, 2, Ina. Ano tawag sa ganon? Food critic era. Ay, ano nang yun?
Take something ganito.
Tail pairing, pero ganito pa din kadami.
Hindi siya
Sabi
mini?
daw, konti lang
Hindi
daw.
siya mini?
Ha?
Yung cocktail pairing nyo?
So I hope you guys
True.
Our next dish we have here the color blue.
Let's go.
You should also be eating it together with the rest of the components. Enjoy, guys.
The crunch, oh my gosh. Put mo sobra. Anong fish to? Trout? Trout? Mukha siyang salmon eh. Pero grabe, ang sarap niya. Best fish.
and call you mine. I'm trying to be your man till the end of time.
I love bread.
You're not gonna find this on your menu cards.
Oh.
Now this is unmade by this 9-year-old starter, or just to pass around as well. But
Like,
Okay, let's try.
ano?
Parang
Parang meron. Parang may chicharon.
balik ko ka ng part.
Dubay ko na. Meron siyang cheese sa loob.
Yummer.